ऑब्वियसली फिल्म का एक ही मैसेज जो आई थिंक जब से हमें इंडिपेंडेंस मिला है आफ्टर फ्यू इयर्स वी हैव ऑल कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड ऑन कीपिंग द कंट्री क्लीन एंड आई थिंक जो ये फिल्म का जो टॉपिक है स्वच्छ भारत इट्स अमेजिंग एंड इसीलिए जब मुझे एक छोटा सा पार्ट करने का मौका मिला फिल्म में तो मुझे ऐसा लगा आई हैव टू बिकॉज देर आर सर्टन फिल्म्स जहाँ पे आप लीड हो आप कितने इंपॉर्टेंट हो और फिल्म में मेरा कितना लेंथ है दैट डजेंट मैटर व्हाट मैटर्स इज दैट यू पार्ट ऑफ अ फिल्म लाइक टुडे जब व्हेन यू सी बाहुबली यू फील ओ आई विश आई वाज अ पार्ट ऑफ इट मैं एक एलिफेंट भी होती तो चलता यू नो देर आर सर्टन फिल्म्स इन लाइफ दैट यू वांट टू बी अ पार्ट of that film in any which ways. So when I was offered this, I was like, oh, it's amazing. Any which way special cameo करना था. बहुत actresses लोग आती है, you know, in a lot of films and they give a झलक and they go, you know, where you see the dances and all, they'll just come and do a small cameo. I said it doesn't matter. It's there to date and बॉलीवुड इज़ नॉट दैट टाइप कि आपको इमीजिएटली स्टीरियोटाइप कर देगा कि नहीं अब अच्छा कैमियो ये दे अंडरस्टैंड यूर एन एक्टर योर फिल्म इज जस्ट रिलीज यू डन अ कैमियो बिकॉज द प्रोजेक्ट इज गुड द फिल्म इज गुड एंड ऑब्वियसली आई एम अ फैन ऑफ नीरज पांडे फिल्म्स एंड आई लव ऑल हिज फिल्म्स एंड ऑब्वियसली अक्षय कुमार सर इज ऑल्सो अ पार्ट ऑफ the film and he has been a part of everybody's life since we were growing up, you know. I used to see all his Khiladi films and all his comedy films. I still remember this one film which I love till now. It's called Mr. and Mrs. Khiladi. I can see that every day. You know, that was one of my most favorite film when I was young. तो जब आपको मौका मिलता है इतने बड़े मेकर्स और इतने बेहतरीन मेकर्स के साथ काम करने और एक्टर्स जो ओवरऑल इनका यू नो ओवरऑल द गैंग ऑफ नीरज पांडे फिल्म सो यू वर लाइक वाई नॉट ऑब्वियसली यू आई ऑल्सो वॉन्ट टू डू अ फिल्म विच इज़ लिटिल मोर सीरियस एंड यू नो मुझे भी डिफरेंट टाइप की सब्जेक्ट करना है सो एक एज एन एक्टर आई थिंक एनी एक्टर वुड थिंक कि इट्स गुड टू गेट एसोसिएटेड विद देम जब आप अपना काम दिखाओगे तब लोगों को पता चलेगा कि यू नो वॉट कैलिबर यू हैव और वॉट ऑल लुक्स यू कैन फिट इन बिकॉज जनरली पीपल जस्ट generalize you in you know glamour look and sexy look and more modern look. People would never think of me of a traditional girl and I always wanted to do Neeraj Pandey films from very beginning from the time I've seen all his films special 26 हो या बहुत पुरानी आप जो भी फिल्में ले लो या लेटली जो भी ले लो बायोपिक्स ले लो उसके अंदर स्पेशली जो उनकी लड़कियों का कैरेक्टर होता है इट्स वेरी इंडियन वेरी सिंपल सो आई वॉज लाइक वाई नॉट take this chance and you know be a part of this film and at least एक तो जो डायरेक्टर के साथ आपको काम करने की ख्वाहिश है आप उनके साथ भी you know उस प्रोडक्शन में of course he is not directing this but आप उनके प्रोडक्शन में भी काम कर लेते हो and secondly he sees that look in you which he generally likes in girls and I think that was an opportunity for me and more than that I was like कि ये फिल्म ही इतने अच्छे सब्जेक्ट पे बन रही है विच इज़ स्वच्छ भारत एंड आई हैव ऑलवेज बीन सपोर्टिंग स्वच्छ भारत फ्रॉम माई चाइल्डहुड आई वॉज नेवर अ चाइल्ड हु यूज्ड टू लिटर हियर एंड देयर बचपन से ही मैं वैसी थी आई थिंक हमारा घर का अपब्रिंगिंग ही इज़ लाइक दैट यू नो वेयर व्हेन यू यंग यू स्मॉल योर मॉम इज़ लाइक थ्रो एवरीथिंग इन द डस्टबिन थ्रो दिस थ्रो दैट आई नेवर यूज्ड टू In fact, I still remember every Sunday in my old house, we used to wash the whole house, and I used to be the one who used to scrub the floor. So my mom used to say कि you know थोड़ा सा साबुन डालो and you know उसको घसों में इतना घसती थी और इतना ज़्यादा साबुन डाल देती थी कि उसके बाद 1 घंटा लगता था just to clear that soap off. So you know that's the reason I think. It's very it is there in me since my childhood only कि I have to keep everything clean and so जब ये फिल्म आई तो I was like yeah why not this is also something that I believe in आप बहुत सारी फिल्में करते हो because मूवी है cinematic liberty है आप कुछ भी करते हो but then there are certain subjects that you believe in कि this is what I am as a person so I was like चलो even if it's a small portion I am happy that I'm part of it I don't know नहीं audition तो नहीं देना पड़ा I think I was just gymming in my gym and I got a message and then I called them up they told me I'm calling from the production and I spoke to them and then first I thought it was something bigger but then they told me it's a cameo so I was like अच्छा I don't know if I am okay for a cameo now और क्या करूँ then of course I spoke to few people because हर इंसान को लगता है अभी तो मैंने एक फर्स्ट फिल्म की है एज ए लीड यू नो इमीजिएटली आई डोंट वांट टू जंप इनटू समथिंग एंड पीपल कैटेगराइज डर होता ही है ऑब्वियसली बिकॉज I had it took me 2 years to break that stereotype कि I don't want to do a cameo after Jai Ho and it took me 2 years to get me Wajah Tum Ho as a lead so I didn't want to go back to the same thing again and feel कि again I would do a cameo and again I go back to square one so I was little you know मेरा mind थोड़ा यहाँ था at that point of time but अंदर ही अंदर था no but I want to work but then in Bollywood there are certain situations in your initial growing years I think in my this time when after Wajah Tum Ho I was like you know अंदर से I want to do the film but बाहर से I'm thinking will it work for me? It shouldn't become कि people are just waiting कि नहीं अभी आपने ये कर लिया अभी आप यही कर सकते हो, you know, because it's very quick for people to do that. So I think that was there in my mind कि करूँ नहीं करूँ ऐसा भी नहीं that I'm throughout in the film, you know, it's a cameo, it's a proper cameo. You come for a shot and you go, it's done. So I was like, it's too small of a cameo. It's like a special appearance. You can't even call it a cameo. It's like a special appearance. जो आप आए एक झलक दिखाए कुछ किया आपने, you're left. Then I said still I want to meet and I said I'll listen to the thing. फिर then they narrated me the part of mine, you know, जो मेरा screen time है और जो मेरा scene है, and I was like this looks very interesting. So I was like what is the look? Then they told me the look. I said the look is even more interesting because I've never done that before. So I was like okay, I'm on board. I said ज़्यादा सोचना नहीं है मुझे बिल्कुल भी because it's a special appearance. People will know it's a special appearance, and I'm happy that after a very hot film like Wajah Tum Ho, people considered me in a rustic role, which is a very village-looking role. Actually, the girl is a very in a cotton salwar kameez, like it's a gaon ka ladki ka look in a simple salwar kameez. So I was like, at least somebody saw me in a different character. So I think that was something which I was more happy that you know वो आपको versatile काम करना है, but जब आपको लोग उस तरीके से देखते तो आप इतने why do you start thinking so much, just do it. And I was like I'm gonna do it and I did it. Yeah, actually after Wajah Tum Ho last year I had little physical issues. I had a lot of physical issues. I had a lot of hormonal imbalances, and because of that I was somewhere, even though I was working out very hard, just say I'm working out today, but I was just not losing weight. So I used to go to my physiotherapist and get my system corrected because my immune system जो था वो इतना low हो गया था कि I was just bloating. After so जो भी मेरा body weight भी था last time, if you see now I'm of course I'm 7 kgs lesser, but उस time भी I was working equally hard, but my body was just not taking it, and I was like shit, now what do I do about it? So treatment, everything was going on, and then from January everything became stable. My body started reacting properly because of the treatments that I was going through, the physio and everything. And then I started working out really hard, and when I got this film, I think they called me like almost 10 days before. In that process I think I lost 2 more kgs, but my process was already on because I was like ek film ho gayi hai, it's already released, but if I'm looking forward to get better and do better, I also have to get better. So obviously when you're an actor you have to see that your weight is stable. मैं actually from last 3-4 years I was fighting to lose that 5 kgs. My body was just not losing 5 kgs. I don't know why. After every day of gymming, and then I got my checkup done and everything, and then I got to know that there are certain problems in the body why I'm not losing weight. And then luckily I solved it, and today I'm good and everything is gone and the weight is going and I'm feeling happy because obviously आप जिम भी जाते हो, आप रोज़ जाते हो, you work out so hard and आपको result नहीं दिखता है तो आपको समझ में नहीं आता है आप करें क्या, because you're spending so much of money in the gym, you're spending so much of time in the gym, and obviously you take care of your diet, you give up so many things, and then you're like, why am I not getting the results? So I think that was my very, I was somewhere mentally, you know, very low, that why am I not losing weight? Because I'm not a tall girl, and if I put on weight, I look even more shorter, so I just don't know what to do. But I'm glad that I found a solution, and I think every girl should. When आपको कुछ लगता है आपकी body में कुछ change नहीं हो रहा है या it's not happening the way you want to, I think you need a checkup then. So that's very very important.
काफी अच्छी टिप्स दी आपने हमें.
नहीं, बट दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज बहुत सारे लोगों को लगता है मैं जिम कर रही हूँ, मेरा वेट लॉस नहीं हो रहा, मैं डाइट पे हूँ तो भी मुझे वर्कआउट नहीं हो रहा है, तो उन सब के लिए एक ट्रीटमेंट होता है, चेकअप योर ब्लड, ये सब. उसमें वो लोग आपको बताते हैं कि यू नो बिकॉज ऑफ वॉट यू नॉट लूजिंग वेट और बिकॉज ऑफ वॉट एनी प्रॉब्लम इज हैपनिंग internally what is happening to your body nobody knows, so it's very important that you check yourself, and you're checking any which ways. Annual checkup is a must. I do it and my mother does it. We all do our annual checkup of, you know, checking the blood and seeing everything is fine or no. We do head to toe checkup irrespective, and whatever we find is not perfect then we try to treat it. I think जैसे मैंने आपको पहले बोला it's a special small appearance, but obviously वो character कुछ तो होगी. She's not a random girl, so obviously the character of that cameo is a girlfriend, and it's हाँ, like she's called, like she is a girlfriend. ऐसा नहीं है that like they have a history or something. It's a cameo, but the character is girlfriend. So it's a very cute character. It's a nice romantic character. I don't want to give more details, but it's a nice fun character. I think people are going to like it. it's a sweet thing. It's not like, okay, like when I went for dubbing I was like, oh I'm happy with the cameo that I've done, and when I came back I said, generally जब आप फिल्म में कुछ छोटा सा करते हो आपको ऐसा लगता है ठीक है कर दिया, you know, big deal, this is not going to change my life or anything is going to happen, but I don't know if it's going to change my life, my career or anything, but I know one thing, that I'm very happy after doing it, and I think that is what matters eventually. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि whatever काम जो भी मुझे करना है, I have to be happy, like I want to talk about it. I get a lot of films, I get a lot of offers, but I just feel somewhere it's not up to the mark. Like the kind of work I want, I feel somewhere that is missing. So anything that impresses me or, you know, makes me feel that this is the right thing I want to do, I do it. No, obviously, see, you're a village girl, but obviously you're a pretty looking girl. You know, I'm not playing a beggar in the film. I'm going to be looking pretty in the film. If I'm going to wear salwar kameez, that doesn't mean I'm going to start looking ugly. In fact, girls look, I feel prettier in Indian wear. You know, आप सलवार सूट पहनते हो, साड़ी पहनते हो, मुझे लगता है आप ज़्यादा सुंदर दिखते हो, जो फैक्ट है. हाँ, so it's traditional. You can, no western outfit can take over any traditional look. So I think traditional always makes you look pretty, but this is like little more ऐसा भी नहीं traditional में, like how a nice Indian girl is. It's not like a dihati girl who knows nothing, जो मैं ऐसे चारा घुमा रही हूँ. It's not even like that kind of a character. It's like a nice sweet girl, but like a village girl. So village girl की जो एक normal सलवार सूट cotton होता है, something like that. But again, it's a pretty girl. She's nice, she's pretty, she's vibrant. So that scene will talk for itself.
जी, I think first time होगा जो आप इस तरह की pretty girl और
pretty girl पहली बार लगूंगी
या साड़ी में या इस तरह सलवार सूट में आप दिखाई देंगी, correct?
Yeah, in नहीं, I think जय हो में भी I was in सलवार सूट, but of course फिर उसमें मैं I was playing a negative villain and all, but of course I did सलवार सूट, but this is not that. That was like a high end सलवार सूट look, where आप, you know, rich कपड़े पहन रहे हो. Here the clothes are very lower middle class type dress है, but the story is not like that. But the dress is, for me, it's definitely like that. The story has like a village. आप village जाओगे तो जो लोग पहनते हैं आप वो ही पहनोगे ना, because obviously they're not going to wear a Manish Malhotra or a Sabyasachi over there. So it's like that. I think as an actor you always feel कि you have given your best. And obviously I think आप कितना भी बेस्ट दे दो, आप जैसे जैसे एक एक फिल्म ग्रेजुएट करते हो, you still, there are chances of you becoming better, because you know, you become more confident as an actor. आपका एक compatibility आपकी teams, you know, to interact with your director, cameraman, your actor, everything changes with time. Today what I am, I wasn't this 5 years back, or maybe even 3 years back. So time changes, you change, you graduate, you become a better person, you become a better actor. Everything needs polishing. कहते हैं ना, practice makes a man perfect. So you need practicing. You cannot practice all alone at home. Who's going to see it? And you don't even know what you're doing. So every project is, you give your best, but you're still in a way practicing and you are getting better. So you just feel that, okay, this is what I had to offer for this role. I gave my everything. Maybe आगे जाके शायद मुझे यही रोल के लिए, इस टाइप के लुक के लिए एक फुल फ्लेजेड फिल्म मिले, जो मुझे आज लगता है मैंने 100% दिया, कल शायद मुझे लगे कि नहीं, शायद मैं इससे भी अच्छा कर सकती हूँ. सो आई थिंक जैसे जैसे यू नो ग्रेजुअली टाइम जाता है, थिंग्स चेंज. सो आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट इट इज़. बट आई एम श्योर दैट पीपल आर गोना लाइक इट. Like they're gonna feel like it was a cute one, you know. It was not something हाँ ठीक है, I was there. It's not gonna be that for sure. नहीं, अगर मैं टीचर होती तो मैं बहुत बुरी टीचर होती, because
लेकिन होती ना, अगर आप एक्टर नहीं होती तो हम ऐसा
नहीं, मैं एक्चुअली बचपन में, जब जो बच्चे होते हैं जनरली उनको टीचर खेलने का बहुत शौक होता है. मुझे कभी टीचर खेलने का शौक ही नहीं था. मैं सीधा पनिश कर देती. I was a dictator. I can't be a teacher. So but with time I am practicing and becoming a better person. मेरे घर में भी people feel I'm a dictator, because I have to see that they eat on time. Like I am like a stupid teacher who is having a lot of rules and regulation. So my friends say कि जो तेरा constitution है ना, उसमें amendments जो है ना every time change होते रहते हैं. So we don't know how to exist with you. Can you just tell us what to do? So my friends are like, to be in a relationship with you as a friend, we have to be careful कि आज ये कौन सा amendment निकलने वाली है, because we are clueless. So I think that's of course on a lighter side, but yeah, but no, I don't know. I think I would have been something more serious, like I wanted to be a custom officer, but I couldn't. I wanted to be a police officer when I was very young. I always thought that they do so much for a country. I still sometimes feel I wish I was a soldier, which is a very weird thing. But you know, when people say कि theatre में जन गण मन होता है and you should not stand, I feel, why should we not stand? आप अपना max ये कर सकते हो कि when that thing is played you give them respect. They can't see us but you can feel and you know what they're going through. जो इंसान is standing there on the borders and saving our life and freezing to death, we can't stand for them for 2 minutes. आप कौन सा घर में रोज सुबह जन गण मन लगाते हो? So that's the only time you get. So I think even though Supreme Court has made a rule that it's not compulsory, that's what they've made, but I still feel that only for the respect that you're safe in your country is because of them and you must pay that respect. Obviously बहुत अच्छा था. It was a very small time, like a very थोड़ा सा time that I spent with him, but he's amazing. He really made me feel very comfortable. It took me like 20 takes to be comfortable. But no, takes से पहले we did the rehearsals and every time he's like, are you comfortable? I'm like, yeah. He's like, no, you're not. I was like, no, I'm not. You know when you see the film आप कहते हैं ना ये ठीक है? बोले हाँ. तो नहीं दिख नहीं रहे, बोले नहीं बिल्कुल आपने सही बोला. So I think it really took me a lot of time to have that lovey-dovey kind of a scene with him, like you know, just on talking basis. So scene-wise, I was like, shit man, I can't get it. So to ease that thing out as a person, you know, it takes because when मेरे साउथ में भी प्रॉब्लम होता था कि जब when I used to do shooting and जब मैं किसी को नया मिलती थी, मैं वैसा भी इतना बात होता नहीं था, but there was a scene I still remember in my South film where my actor was sitting और मुझे पीछे बैठना था, तेलुगु फिल्म है and हम दोनों गर्लफ्रेंड बॉयफ्रेंड है, वो बाइक चलाता है, मुझे से पकड़ना है. मैंने कहा ओके, बाइक चली सब हो गया, मैं ऐसे बैठी थी हाथ रख के, ठीक है. तो मेरे एक्टर ने मुझे बोला कि मुझे ऐसा लगा मेरे पीछे कोई लड़की नहीं कोई डॉगी बैठा है who holds her boyfriend like this. So I was like, I'm sorry, it takes me a lot of time to get comfortable and I'm not someone कि मैं सेट पे आते बराबर ही आप मुझे एक रोमांटिक सीन दे दोगे और मैं you know मुझे किसी को ऐसे टच करने में भी I am very different as a person. It took me a lot of time even during Vajah Tum Ho. Like I still remember मेरा first scene जो entry का था and Gurmeet had to hold me. I couldn't stop laughing. And Vishal is like, can you do the scene and stop laughing? I said, I don't know because if I have to do a romantic scene ना मेरी हंसी छूट जाती है. I am so bad in doing romantic scenes. मेरे कोई भी romantic scenes जितने भी shoot होते हैं मुझे बहुत हंसी आती है. मुझे पता नहीं क्यों आती है जबकि नहीं आना चाहिए. It's a romantic scene but I just feel so funny. मुझे funny scene में भी इतनी हंसी नहीं आती है जितनी romantic में आती है. So I've always had this problem. So with even in this scene I had the same thing. Like after the scene he's telling me okay, you know, like if he's telling me you can hold me here, then I'm going to hold him like this. Don't do it like that. So I think I have this problem. मुझे ऐसा लगता है किसी को लग ना जाए, किसी को कुछ ना हो जाए, थोड़ा you know थोड़ी मैं uncomfortable हो जाती हूँ. And I think but when you have a good co-star, they make you feel comfortable and I think that's what he did. He made me feel very comfortable.
Okay.
जब हम एक सीन कंप्लीट करते, जब वो शॉट एक क्लोज है कंप्लीट करते थे और वापस से जब रन थ्रू एक ओवरऑल सीन का होता था बिकॉज इट वाज अ यू नो 2-3 कैमरा सेटअप होता है, एक ओवर फुल होता है और एक क्लोजअप्स होते हैं. एवरी टाइम यूज्ड टू डू समथिंग न्यू एंड आई वाज लाइक वी डिडंट रिहर्स दिस. लाइक मुझे ऐसे अंदर सो आफ्टर 2-3 takes I realized that I have to be ready for whatever new he gives in so that I can understand that no matter what he does I have to be in the queue. Like certain things, I don't want to say everything now, but probably maybe after the shoot, you know, after the film is out or something, there were certain things that was like, then I used to like, you didn't do this last time to me. He's like okay, next time I will do that. I was like, because I'm following that cue now. So I think that ways he does a lot of new things, so you have to be very alert. And of course if you're working with somebody who's so good in comedy, unka comedy timing is amazing, so you have to keep that thing up. That's when a chemistry is built. Secondly, of course वो बहुत हंसाते हैं, you know, and he is a very funny guy. He has a nice Delhi slang. अगर आपने उनसे कभी बात किया होगा तो जैसे वो फिल्मों में बात करते हैं वो रियल में भी वैसे ही बात करते हैं. And it's very rare to see a actor today to talk in Hindi. Otherwise, मैं generally, you know, when you see an actor they talk only Hindi in films, but in real they only talk in English. And Akshay is one who only talks in Hindi even otherwise. So it was a very different. It's a very small thing, but it matters. You know, थोड़ा एक different माहौल हो जाता है. Like oh, so cute. So even when he was talking normally, I realized कि off screen, like after cut also he talks in Hindi, and then he talks in the same slang what he does on screen. So I think maybe that's the reason he's so good at it. So it was amazing doing scenes, and of course that little add-ons that he do is amazing for the film. उन्होंने वो जो थोड़े से comedy scene थोड़ा बहुत था उसे और comedy बना दिया eventually. Well, definitely there is something, but I'll wait till the official announcements are done. But yeah, there are few things lined up, so I.
तो मींस हम ऐसा समझे कि वो मतलब वो भी एक हॉट अंदाज में
No,
होगा
no, no, no. That
romantic,
no. That's something different.
different
Yeah.
like biopic.
No. Who is gonna take me for biopic? I wish people take me for somebody's biopic, but I would love to do a biopic. But obviously, for a biopic, I have to prove myself and give better performances and do better films. So yeah, let's see. Well, obviously, film में सबके favorite Akshay है, so obviously they're going to come and see the film, and because of that, they're also going to see my work and see something different. Obviously, but not on that scale. But I would really, first of all, I really want to thank everybody who has supported me for this last 5 years. Whether I have worked, I have not worked. I think it's today, even to love your friend is so difficult. You know, so random people, if you love, I don't know how people love random people. It's very touching to see that people don't even know me personally, they've never met me, they've never spoken to me, but whatever they've seen of me, they've become my fan and they like me. So thank you, and thank you all my fan pages who make such amazing post for me. I would just say that it's a small special appearance from my end in the film, a small contribution to the film and to the purpose of the film, which is Swachh Bharat. So I support that. I hope that this film brings that message out more strongly, and people also start taking Swachh Bharat more seriously, even people in rural areas. And guys, please, it's releasing on 11th of August. Please see the film, and if you like my work, whatever, please do give me your reviews, and I think that's what an actor wants. So yeah, and keep loving me. I love you guys back.
Keep loving it.